Hi friends, and welcome to my channel. So this is part 3 of our 3-part video for my Graphic 45 design team package for the summer of 2018. In the 2 previous videos, we've gone over the Tropical Travelogue collection and the Imagine collection. Both collections are brand spanking new, and we've done the flip throughs on both. And yeah, I'll go ahead and leave you the links to those videos in the description area below, and also right up there on this corner right up here. So in case you missed those flip throughs, you might want to go ahead and check them out. So yeah, for the rest of my design team package, what I got were embellishments. Now, did y'all know that Graphic 45 has flowers? I didn't know that, but guess what? Yes, they do. They actually have flowers. And as you can see, they are very generous in their flower packaging. You get the small little rosebuds to the medium ones to the larger ones. You also get this cute squiggly stems along with some leaves. So it's a very generous package. And I will be leaving a link to Graphic 45 in the description area below, as well as links to everything that you see here. So I did pick up a few of their flowers because I'm doing several different mini albums and altar projects that I want to share with you. And so, speaking of altar projects, we have this mixed media box. Now, you have already seen a project of mine with this box, and it was a shaker box in which I made the tutorial for the cards. And so what I'm going to be doing with this one is I'm going to do the tutorial for the shaker. It is so super easy. I can't wait to share that video with you. So be on the lookout for that video. And if you missed my video to the shaker box card gift box, I'll go ahead and link you to that too, right up there and in the description area below. Now, what I also have are some Graphic 45 ATC black policy envelopes, and let me go ahead and remove them from the bag. I'm sorry about the noise and the glare, but these are such cute envelopes. Look at that. And this is what the back looks like. And here's another style and the back to it, and here's another style and the back to it. Now, you can use these in several different types of projects. You can use these in traveler's notebooks, you can use these in journals, you can use these in mini albums. So I'm looking forward. You can even make a policy envelope mini album just using these. Check this out, and do a binding right along here, and each one of these would be the pocket. Isn't that a neat idea? So yes, we're going to be playing with these too, so be on the lookout for that video. And I'm going to be doing a lot of mini albums. I love mini albums, and I'm glad that I have the opportunity to get back to the basics, to get back to my first love in paper crafting, which were mini albums. And so I went ahead and got several different tags. Now, as you know, the Graphic 45 tags are available in different sizes. We have them in this size, we have them in the smaller size, we have them in the large tag size, and we have them in the square tag size. And the way these come, they come with a mini album ring in case you want to go ahead and do a tag mini album from these. And what I'm going to be doing, what I'm going to be using these for are for the tags for inside the pockets of my mini albums. That's what I'm going to be using these for. And I may go ahead and do one of these as a tag mini album. We'll see how that goes. I may just use them all inside the pockets of mini albums or actually make a mini album out of this. I don't know yet. It all depends on how many tags I have left, really. And here is another tag, and I am so thrilled that I have these on hand. And what I got this time around are the Graphic 45 stamped metal brads, and they do have, I don't know if you can tell, but they do have this neat design, and these are available in other colors as well. The ones that I picked up are in the antique gold, and this is what the back looks like in the packaging. Oh yes, and by the way, these are available. The tags are available in 3 colors. You have the ivory, you have the black, and you also have the craft color. This is also available in the black and I believe in the craft color as well. So yeah, be on the lookout for my mini album videos and my altered videos showing you different ways on how you can utilize your goodies from Graphic 45. I thank you all so much for joining me, and I'll see you once again in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.